So Mpumi bafethu siyamlungela ke izinto lapha na, but first before I even continue, I wanna apologize bafethu nge-absence yami. I had a few challenges that I had to sort out, but now I am back, and this time around we're gonna be rocking on a different niche. So bese simixa ke bafethu, whatever you see on the channel is what we're gonna be doing. So moving on ke bafethu, Mpumi ke izinto zakhe ziya ngokuya ziya elevator, yabona, into the positive, because uGabriel has got Mpumi an apartment, guys. I think it's the same apartment that uMaruna used to live in, but Mpumi does not seem to care ukuthi Maruna wahlala laphana. She is willing to take the apartment with open hands. You understand? So Gabriel is appreciating Mpumi for the hard work she has been doing and for having his back laphana e-Revelation Records. Ukube uyazi Mpumi ukuthi ke lo muntu uyamsebenzisa lo muntu. Gabriel is using Mpumi. I don't know how to prove it, but I guess the day will come where Mpumi will open her eyes to see ukuthi she has been used and she has been demanded to actually be the face of Revelation Records. You understand? Since she is the ghostwriter writing people's songs and whatsoever. So moving on, KwaHlophe, they are very disappointed ever since Owethu left the country. So Owethu bafethu is no longer under the Hlophe house. Instead, now she left the country to actually ayosha umoya, to get fresh air outside of the Hlophe house, outside of Genesis na uBonko, because uBonko flopped once again, having to go help Maruna in a crisis situation. Maruna was in trouble, so she had to call Bonko to come and help. Ngalena uHlophe is setting the record straight. Utshela uFelicia ukuthi they are officially cutting ties nabantu baka Thabethe. They are cutting ties nabantu baka Thabethe, abasafuni lutho ezobahlanganisa nabantu baka Thabethe regarding Bonko situation noOwethu, because uHlophe bafethu are protecting their daughter. You understand? So they had to go out and meet out with uFelicia. So uBonko bafethu is very disappointed in this, because he knows ukuthi he was the cause of everything. He was the cause of everything. Kusifike lana nje uBonko. Yabona manje nango Owethu usehambile ubashile. uBonko does not have a wife, and there are no possibilities ukuthi ngiqhubeka amalobolo. uFelicia ke kufanele abe disappointed. You understand that it's very painful to be cut off. Yabona ekubeni indodana wakhe was the one who was flopping, but now it's affecting the whole Thabethe family and the whole Thabethe clan. So moving on, guys, Maruna approaches Gabriel to tell Gabriel ukuthi she wants out with the Revelation Records. She wants nothing to do with the Revelation Records. She wants Gabriel to actually terminate her contract because she is done. You understand? She's been through it. Usebonile nayo ukuthi she's been through it. You understand that? And she can't keep going on with the pain that she has. Ngalena uGabriel akayizi into esho Maruna. Akayizi nje into ekhulunywa Maruna ukuthi yena kumele terminate i-contract yakhe. He still demands Maruna ukuthi usazocula Maruna. That beautiful face that she has is gonna be the spotlight of Revelation Records. She's gonna show face with a smile, and she's gonna sing with that beautiful voice of hers. She belongs to Revelation, and Maruna is nothing without Gabriel. He is the one who made Maruna who she is today. He is the one who paid Maruna. He is the one who took care of Maruna. He is the one who spent a lot of money to buy the apartment Maruna and buy Maruna every asset that she has, ukuze yena azokwazi njena ukuphila and survive and be the artist that she wants to be, the recognized artist that she wants to be. So yamtshela ukuthi akekho umuntu ozohamba Revelation up until he says so. So ngamanye amazwi uGabriel is threatening uMaruna, uzamkhiphela ibhandi, ingazi mbe sefuna ukumshaya ngoba beshilo ukuthi uzomshaya if kuukuthi umjwayela kabi and all that stuff. So Maruna felt threatened, and there's no contract that she went out from. You understand? Uzoqhubeka ne-Revelation acule khona thande ngathandi. So moving on ke bafethu, as you all know, Mpumi got an apartment from uGabriel, but uWendi ke bafethu, the last time she kind of promised Maruna not to actually leave her because Maruna convinced her to stay. Yabo. So Wendi is stuck in the middle ukuthi okay, sharp, Mpumi is flourishing, but at the same time Maruna is drowning. Yabo. So it's like a tug of war. Mpumi is convincing Uwendi to come and stay with her in the new apartment because she believes Uwendi's house is very toxic. So they're gonna have a new beginning lapha kwi-apartment kaMpumi. But Uwendi is kind of stuck into two ways, you understand? I'm not sure about regarding the look on her face ukuthi usefuna ukwenzani, that she wanna double cross or cross uMaruna for Mpumi, or she will continue staying with uMaruna instead of moving in with Mpumi. So uBonko ke humbles himself, prides down himself, and approaches uFelicia umamakhe. So when he approaches uFelicia, uyamtshela ukuthi usemoshe kakhulu and naye uyabona ukuthi umoshile, he is tired, yabona. So ufuna a way forward from this whole thing, this whole situation that has happened between him and Owethu, regarding him not having to pay full lobolas or do full lobola negotiations with the Owethu, because now I think it's the third or second time uBonko a flop, I understand. So uBonko had to go and apologize, humble himself down and go and apologize to uFelicia. So uFelicia ke uyasho ukuthi uyamthanda uBonko, she will never disown uBonko, but the only thing that she wants from uBonko ukuthi ahlukane naye, because she doesn't want to see Bonko's face, which is crazy, I won't lie. Yabo, disown ingane yakho kanje, not really disown, but like cut off ingane yakho kanje. So moving on, Ishmael has made the right choice regarding him having to get 1 million, I think, from Genesis, or the endorsement that he kind of received from Fragrance, you understand? So he needed help, yabona, and Unandi was there to help him, yabona, advise him regarding the money, because he doesn't want to play with the money. Instead, ufuna ukuyisave le mali. He doesn't want to go popping bottles by nomafitoto nabo Nandi nabo Nobuhle, but he wants to keep the money and prioritize the money, yabona, ngendlela right. So Unandi was there to help him, but Unandi had to make a few jokes about them having to go out, I understand. But Ishmael uyasho ukuthi if ever you wanna go out, likhona ibhasi kaMafitoto, ikharakara likaMafitoto, and Unandi ke seems to have pride because there's history between her and uMafitoto. But ke Ishmael made the right choice by keeping the money safe. On the other side, Felicia is back to the studio. This is, I think, her having to take out her emotions onto the mic, you understand? But I'm just glad she's back in the studio having to do her work and nemsebenzi awaziwayo ngawo, uyabona, because she's a legend, uyabona, but now she just got back from retiring. So moving on, this is the guy who tried to rape, I can say, Umaruna. I understand that he forcefully wanted to be intimate with Umaruna, but Umaruna got her escape. I understand that because uBonko came to help Umaruna, yabona. So Gabriel had to meet up with this guy, but this guy does not seem to want anything regarding a revelation or Gabriel, because he believes the whole thing was actually wasted, yabona, and now akasafune lutho zomhlanganisa noGabriel. But uGabriel had another exception and another offer, and I knew ukuthi bafethu Gabriel is using uMpumi. Uyasho ke lapho Gabriel ukuthi no, kahle kahle uMaruna has a sister, and the sister is Mpumi, fortunately. So Mpumi is gonna be next about regarding having to sleep with this guy, and this guy is actually up for another deal and offer that Gabriel has to do, because Gabriel is willing to do anything, to make this guy happy, to please this guy. Let me just do Gabriel. So on the other side, Mpumi told a card from Gabriel regarding her having to move into the new apartment. So it's all joy, celebrations. I want to put some champagne, we understand that she wants to celebrate with her mom. But I'm still confused at Wendy, because I don't know how Wendy feels, you understand? I'm seeing 2 suitcases, Lapan. I'm seeing Wendy. I think Wendy has moved on to live with Mpumi in her new apartment. I think Mpumi has won Wendy to the new apartment. You understand? She convinced Wendy to come and move in with her. Ngalena bafethu Maruna is in pain because akwazanga ukuthi abe ne control over Gabriel regarding her future and her music career and a contract lapha na Genesis. Instead, ngalena futhi Wendy has chose to move on to move in with Mpumi in her new apartment, which means Maruna is alone lapha nakaWendy. Yabona, esezame kangaka umconvince uWendy chose otherwise, you understand? But it's confusing, it's really painful for Maruna, guys. I hope ukuthi uzoba right ekugcineni, because it seems as if she's losing everything. Yabo. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bafethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for watching.